Need a different number on your Tracfone? Since Verizon acquired Tracfone, the process is streamlined. First, log into your Tracfone account through the app or website. Look for Change Phone Number in your account settings. If you don't see it, call 1-800-867-7183. You might get to pick a new number from a list, which could cost $10 to $20 depending on your plan. Confirm your choice via SMS or email, and the new number should activate within minutes or hours. If the online method fails, customer service can assign a new number, possibly requiring a SIM card swap for older devices. Want to bring your current number to Tracfone? First, gather your account number, PIN, and billing zip code from your current carrier. Activate a new Tracfone SIM or device. Then, call Tracfone support at 1-800-867-7183 and request a port-in, providing the info you collected. This usually takes 2 to 4 hours, but can take up to 24. You'll get a text confirming the change. There's a $10 port-in fee. Keep in mind that Tracfone numbers aren't easily ported out to other carriers, and changes are permanent once processed. Make sure your number is eligible for porting. Postpaid numbers generally transfer easier than prepaid ones.